Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a long nails challenge. So I already fixed my nails. I know most people might be thinking these nails are not really long, but to me it is because I don't really fix nails and this is long enough for me. So the first thing I'm going to be doing for today's video is I'm going to be trying to open a can of drink or any drink. So this is the drink I have here. I'm going to try to open it and see how easy or hard it's going to be. But I'm scared because I mistakenly hit my finger the other time. I don't want that to repeat itself. Oh God. I don't know how possible this is going to be, but I'm going to try. I'm going to keep trying. I don't know if I can do this, but I'm still going to try. I know we're not giving up here. I think I did it. I opened it. So I just opened it and yes, it was a bit of a challenge, but we did it. Next thing I'm going to do is to try to open this biscuit. So let's give this a try. I think this one is going to be a bit easy first. But let's see. I don't jinx myself. Okay. So the trick is to, I think, to fold it this way because I tried the other way around, so it wasn't working for me. Yes, I did it. So opened. The next challenge I'm going to be trying is what I'm going to be doing just to be trying to open different things, pick up things. So the next challenge I'm going to be trying is trying to open a bottle of water. So here's my bottle of water. I'm going to try to open this. I think this one is going to be easy. And here it is, easy. Guys, my mic got disconnected and I didn't realize. So I'm going to be finishing this video with a voiceover. So the next thing we're going to be trying is picking up something from the floor. It's going to be much easier if I have a coin, but I don't. So I have this ring. I'm just going to place it on the floor and then try to pick it up. So guys, here it is. I just placed it on the floor and we're going to try to pick it up. This was really easy actually. All you have to do is just to, and I think it was easy because it had a hole in it. So I'm just going to try to get something else that we're going to try to pick up without something else that doesn't have the hole in it, something else that isn't like a ring. So guys, I got this from my sister's jewelry box. So we're just going to try to pick this up. I already picked it up, so it was easy. So that's it for this part of the challenge. So the next challenge is for me to try to put on these knuckle rings. So I'm trying to get it out of its casing. As you can see, I'm just trying to twist the knot. I'm trying to twist it to remove the rings. So I'm going to have to twist it open and then fix it on my fingernails. As you can see, it's not easy, but I'm trying my best to make it possible. We're almost there. It's not easy, but we'll do it. Yes, we've done it. Now I'm bringing it out. It wasn't easy, but yes, we did it. So I'm going to try to put this. It is easy. So guys, it was a bit of a struggle, but we did it. So guys, the next challenge is to text. So we're going to try to type with our nails. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go into my notebook. So we're going to click on my notebook and then we type we type whatever we're going to type there. So guys, here I'm trying to think of what to type. What are we going to write? So I ended up with subscribe to my channel. So we're going to type that. This is me trying to tell you guys to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done that yet, kindly subscribe to my channel. So I'm just going to move forward or closer, sorry, so you guys can see what I'm typing closer. It isn't an easy task because I was using one hand to type. I couldn't use the two. But later in the video, I'm going to challenge myself to use my two hands to type. Guys, this isn't as easy as it looks. It was a bit challenging because, like I said, you can't know how hard something is if you are not in that situation. So try fixing long nails if you haven't done it before and then try using it to do all this challenge. You're going to see how hard it is. It's not that easy. So here I am happy that I'm almost done typing that. Subscribe to my channel. Yes guys, we did it. Subscribe to my channel guys. Guys, because I lost my audio, I'm going to be cutting this part short. I also typed like my video, which I'm telling you guys now too. Don't forget to like my video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, I typed, do you like this video? So, for those that are watching and you've watched to this stage, kindly comment down below and tell me if you like this video and what other challenge you would like me to do, or if you like me to challenge myself with a longer nails that are longer than this particular nails. Guys, the next challenge will be me challenging myself to eat. I think I should do my thoughts after I did this was to challenge myself to eat with cutleries because that would be harder because this was a little bit too easy for me. So yes, challenge done. We are done with this challenge. It was easy. So we're going to move to the next one now. Guys, for this next challenge, I'm going to be trying to open my bag and getting something or picking something inside my bag. Guys, we did it. So I'm just going to be getting my lip gloss out of the bag and my hand sanitizer. Now it's out, so we're going to apply it. Now our hand sanitizer is also out. We're going to open this and then sanitize our hands. So guys, this will be the end of this video. I know it might sound somehow because I lost the audio and I tried mending it with a voiceover. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.